to continue. Okay. Now this one is 03. It's February 5th. Let's move on. Yeah, this one is still running topic. We are good to go. What is the last one? Errors equals to, okay, NAT. Till NAT we done, I guess, actually. Okay. Okay, without wasting the time, I would like to take a control to start the topic. Make a note on this. Date and time. Can I give a small recap actually? Good. So till here we done. These are all things I need to continue actually. Make a note on this. Tim, let me tell you, whenever we are working about the data, especially in a data science, we are playing with the data. We are playing with, when you're talking about the data, numerical values we know, floating values we know, string data we know. These are all values we know very well. Not only this one, best example, when you're talking about the data, the date value is really important. What value? For that date value, let me tell you, separate data types would you have? Separate what exactly? The data type name is called as a date time data type. Can you talk with me? Date time data type. Good. But one small point. The limitation with the pandas cannot recognize by default the date time data type value. Instead, it will make it like what exactly, object data type. What data type? Object data type. Right. If it is object, you can apply string related operation. You can apply. But Daniel, I wanted to apply date related operation. I wanted to capture the day. I wanted to capture the month. Wanted to capture year. These are all things. Then what we need to do, explicitly, you have to convert from object to date time data type. That's what done actually. There are two ways, man. How many? First one, while loading. Second one, after loaded. You can also call as a after data frame created actually. While loading, we have to apply the syntax. Syntax name is a parse underscore dates. Simple, straight to the point, keyword augment actually. Syntax number 2, after loaded. There are again two ways actually. What is the first one? The first one is a to underscore date time. Function or method? Function. We are good to go, guys, actually. The second one will be as type method. What method? These scenarios we have seen respectively. Kind of some different format parameters also we have seen. Format is a keyword augment based on your requirement. You can specify actually. The next one will be NAT value. What value? NAT value. So let me tell you, imagine there is a column, the column having the date related value. What value? Imagine there are some 100 values. How many values, sir? 100 values. All 100 values supposed to be in a proper format. First one should be day, the next one is a month, the next one is the year. First one is a day, next one is a month, the next one is a year. Then only to underscore date time function works in such a way that it can convert into format actually. It can convert into nice format. Sometimes the date time values, it is having improper data. What data? If it is improper data, you're trying to converting in forcefully, it will throw an error. It will throw error actually. Then during that time, what we need to do, hey, I don't want an error. Of course, this data given by client, I didn't create actually. Imagine 99 values are right value. Just because of one value, I don't want to break my functionality. That one value, let us replace with NAT. Let us replace with what exactly? NAT. Meeku ardhamayinda, sir. That's what you need to be understand. Now the next point will be Make a note on this. I hope you understand. NAT value. Selecting from start to, I hope these are all things I covered. If you wanted to replace with NAT, then errors equals to coerce. Errors equals to coerce you need to apply. Now almost there are some few more scenarios would you have. So let me continue from here. Let me take a control actually. Good. First of all, let me just try to create a data frame. Based on requirement, we can select the specific dates like a starting to ending. I have to select Daniel actually. Yeah, you can select actually. What exactly we are doing, First of all, we are importing pandas and we are loading the data frame. We are loading the data set. While loading, we are specifying. We are specifying actually parse underscore dates. Why? Because by default pandas don't know actual. Good. Create a condition number 1. By this time you should know what do you mean by this condition. Boss, what are the values in between first hour and fifth hour, how many transactions I wanted to know. According to the two condition, 2019 1 1, even 2019 1 1. I mean to say in between first hour to fifth hour, how many transactions. And here you need to use ampersand symbol. What symbol, sir? Ampersand symbol. Then you will get almost, third record would you have, fourth record would you have, fifth record also would you have actually. I'm sorry. This one will be second, third, fourth. One more time, sir. Second, third, fourth. In between 1 to 5, there are 3 records would you have actually. Yeah, we can execute this one. Let me execute this. Practice matters. Don't mug up the code actually. If you practice, then you can understand the functionality. Don't by heart, don't mug up the code, sir. Think what line we have written. There are 2 conditions. Condition number 1, start, and condition number 2. That's it. Let's close what all we are not using. Dataset parent, sir. Sales 7. Did you upload actually upload isana? Use notepad only. Initially use notepad only. Trust me, this one is the best way of the practice. Best way of the practice actually. Okay. Now let us just try to make it. We are not only filtering numbers, not only filtering string data, you can filter date values also. You can filter. That's what we need to apply. Filtering the date values. Next example. Based on requirement, we can select the specific date like a start date to what exactly end date actually. End date. Access specific dates like a last 20 days record, last 2 months, last 2 years actually. These are all things are possible. These are all things are possible. Sometimes the client will give in the data. So imagine, let me talk with you. Imagine the client have given the data. So the data will be last 2 years data. Last how many years data, sir? 2 years data. Client is telling this one is the last 2 years data. Last 2 years data in the sense, currently we are running with what exactly 2025, exactly so and so date actually. This one is a current record. This one is what record? Current record. Now, client is telling suddenly, hey Daniel, do one thing. Access last 30 days records. How many days actually? 30 days. Otherwise, client is telling access last 12 days record. If client is telling like access last 12 days records, manual count is required. What is yesterday date, day before yesterday, previously. These are all we need to count the days actually. We need to count what exactly? Ayo sir, very painful. Imagine 12, 10, okay. Suddenly client will tell, I wanted to capture 125 records, 125 days records. What exactly mean? 125. So suddenly for the months, sometimes 30 would you have, sometimes 31st would you have. Am I right or not, sir? You kind of some little confusion. Instead of this one, what we can do, there is a one method, that method name is a last method. What method? Last method, right? So before applying that method, what we need to do, did you remember this one actually? Meeku idi gurtunda? Where I covered also you need to tell. Any idea what is this actually? Set underscore index. Where I covered e point? Good. Let me tell you where I covered this kind of point. We can keep some column name as index actually. Very good, boss. Who told actually? Nice. Good practice. Please make a note actually. You know what? During the data frame, I explained data selection, lock and iLock actually. Location and I indexer, ILOC actually. Are you with me or not, sir? During that time I covered. First, sir, practice required. When I'm telling about the point, we have to tell immediately what we covered actually. That is a good practice. That comes from practice. No jantar mantra. Trust me, you have to keep on do revision until you revise. Let me tell you, let's take A to Z letters. We already done preparation in our childhood. Now preparation is not required. You know the saturation point. Until at what time we can remember actually. That you only know the secret. Back to the session. First of all, do one thing. Daniel, I wanted to access last, based on requirement, we can get last 10 days records, 20 days records, 40 days, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years, these are all. We can also sort the data frame by using sort underscore value. We are good to go. First of all, create a data frame. Yeah, we have created a data frame actually. Nice. The data frame is created. Students, sir. I wanted to see the whole bunch of the data frame. Whole data frame. Good. Yes, Daniel. Total how many, sir? Around some 10,000. How many? 10,000. Now do one thing. You can set so and so column as an index. This is possible in pandas. First of all, before setting, how many columns? After setting specific column, what happened, em jarugudo telusa? One column will be gone actually. What is that column name? Purchase underscore date. Now here, if you want, you can just try to, so after this one, you can just try to print this. We got a new data frame. We got what exactly mean? New data frame. And you can just try to print this new data frame actually. Good. Did you notice here? 6 columns. Here how many? I already told actually. Why? Because you can take a column and you can set as an index. Index is not countable while you are counting the column names. While counting the column names, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exactly here you are getting, but don't think like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Wrong calculation. Index you have to separate actually. Sir, meeku ardhaminda? What is index name here? Purchase underscore date. What is index name here? Back to the session. First of all, set that column name as index. Once after you are setting, now you can capture the, do you want what exactly? Daniel, I wanted to capture last to 10 days records. Take this data frame. You need to call a method. Method name is a last. What is the method name? Last of 10D you need to specify. Then automatically last to 10 days records you will get actual. Last how many days records, man? 10 days records. Capture this and you will get the last to 10 days records actually. Yes. Oh, you may get some warning. I hope you can ignore actually. Did I told how to ignore the warnings? Very good. As of now, you can remember the same functionality. Make a note on this one. Can somebody talk with me? How many records are in records only? Sorry, 240 rows. How many rows? Last to 10 days records, 240 rows actually. Daniel, same thing like can I capture 11 days, 12 days, sir? Up to you. Here you need to just specify the number actually. Accessing last to 10 days records. Same thing like that. 30 days records. You can do actually. What we are doing, 40 days records, man. Here 40D you need to space. Come on, you can do this actually. You can do this. I have a small question for you. What is this? It is a method. Where exactly? Data frame. Where exactly, sir? Data frame. Good. I need one more time response. Can you tell me what is this? Method. Available in data frame. Available in data frame. Almost if you take any example, here and there, methods are available. Highlight those methods. Highlight that methods actually. You can easy to remember. Do some paperwork. You will get an idea. Okay. Any idea what is this? Again method. What is the method name? Last. This is available in a data frame. This is available in data frame actually. Man, this is beautiful. Imagine this last method is not available. Sir, based on the date you have to count actually. Based on the date you have to count. That is horrible actually. The next one will be 1M. Do you think 1 million actually? 1 month. What exactly, sir? 1 month actually. 1 month. Through practice only. Through practice only you can remember. How many rows, sir? 501. We are good to go. Sir, 1 by means 1 year data. You can do that. You can access actually. You can access. You can try this example here. You need to provide these are all. Next example. Extract year, month, day from the date column. This is quite interesting. I will tell you. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. First of all, as usual, create a data frame. Create what exactly, sir? Data frame. Yeah, Daniel, data frame is ready. Data frame is what exactly, sir? Ready. Okay. If the data frame is ready, now let us just try to capture this name of the column. Let us just try to capture. I wanted to print this name of the column. Name of the column. We are printing actually. Okay. Important, sir. This is important. Good. Hey, Daniel. First of all, these are all values. Now my motto will be, I wanted to capture only this year. Is it possible? Absolutely possible. I wanted to capture only this one. Is it possible? Absolutely possible actually. Somebody is asking 22 months is possible. Sir, we can do anything actually. Do little R&D. Instead of 1 year, Daniel, can I actually access 13 months actually? You can try. I'm sure you can check the validate result actually. Meeku ardhamayinda sir. You can do. These are all little practice you need to do. Then only you will understand. Hey, Daniel, I wanted to capture only this year value. Can we do actually? You can do that. This one is I wanted to capture only month. I wanted to capture only day, hour, minute, seconds. Possible. How it is possible, you know? Ela possible avutundo chuvinchamantaరా? Let me show you. First, what we need to do, you know? By using this one, you need to call one attribute. The attribute name is a DT attribute. What attribute? Let me tell you. Go back to the olden days. Imagine if it is a string data. I wanted to apply string operation. You need to call one attribute. What is that attribute? Do you remember? Attribute name is a str. Imagine this one is a string data. What data? I wanted to apply string operations. What operation? String operation. Then you need to call an attribute. Attribute name is a str. Though it is a kind of some date to time values. What values? Here there is a one attribute. Attribute name is a DT. DT means date. Date and time. DT means the moment whenever you are calling this one and it returns date time properties object. It returns date time properties object actually. Here is the beauty. Over this, do you want to capture all year value? You need to call year attribute. Chudandi ikkada. You will get only all year values actually. Wow, beautiful man. Starting from 2019 to 2019, 2019. What is the last value? 2020. Very good, sir. Very good actually. This is something like I do have a last 10,000 values. I just wanted to separate year separately. We can do actually. To separate that one, you know, take that column. You need to call one attribute. Attribute name is a DT. You need to call another attribute. Attribute name is a year. Can I ask a question? I wanted to access month. What I need to do? That's it. That's the beauty actually. Here, what is a major step? You know, convert into date time properties object To convert that, we need to call an attribute. Make ardoinda, sir. Are you getting? Right. Then you'll do one thing. I just wanted to add a column. First of all, take a data frame. Take what exactly data frame. This one is a data frame, Daniel, actually. Now here, I wanted to add a column. This one is a data frame. I wanted to add one column. That column should be year. All year values. What I mean to say that, do one thing, Daniel. Here, create a column. Column name is a year. Create a column. Column name is a year. And I just wanted to capture all these values instead of this actually. Wow, that is possible, man. Possible actually. Can I get a response? Then you should understand how to add a column. Column nela add cheyalo gurtunda meeku? Yeah, very good. What exactly we need to do, df of, and here give any name of the column. Column name is a year, something like that. And I'm sure your task is over, sir. Perfect, man. Now you can just try to print data frame. I'm pretty sure you connected actually. Let me know. Perfect. Wow. Exactly. Year column added, sir. Sir, me kanbistunda. I need a response from you. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, 2 points you need to remember. ఎడం వైపుని మీకు గనక అలా కనిపిస్తే రెండు విషయాలు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. 2 things we have to remember. First point, adding a column. First point, if column name is the new, then it will add directly at last actually. Point number 2, if column name is already available, old values will be replaced with new value. That's what. If you are attending our session, that points I can memorize actually. I can tell you, then you can remember actually. If you are doing self-study, you may miss that key points actually. Same thing like that, Daniel, can I add month also? Chappan, sir. You can add also. What is that month actually? You can just have to come here month, and here you can call an attribute. Attribute name is a Chappan, sir. Month. That's it. Like this, you can extract from date. Year you can extract. Year మీరు తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. You can extract the year. I wanted to capture, month also, Daniel, here actually. You can do that. Even the last month is what exactly 02, and it is capturing 2 actually. Same thing like that, sir. How many columns here actually? But what is actual columns? Right. What exactly we are doing, taking we are adding a extra 2 columns here by using these 2 syntax actually. Meeku ardhamayinda? Like that you can add day, month, year, hour, minutes, seconds, anything you can add actually. Meer add cheyochu. Okay. JS sir, once try actually. Year and 10 months. I didn't try. Good question. We can try once. Either it is working or not. Valid point. The next question will be, Shafina ma'am, if I wanted to access, apply condition, boss. Create a condition. If the value is matching, you will get that record actually by using filter. This is kind of some, so filtering the data. Shafina boss, that we can do by using filtering actually, filtering logic. Go back to the material. Based on requirement, we can get year, month, day, hour, minute from date column. Sometimes it can be helpful. Break up the column of dates into what exactly? Components. Best example, there is a date value. Imagine I bought an item actually. What is the year? What is the month? What is the day? These are all things actually. These are all what exactly mean things. Can I get a response from you? We are good to go. Yes, see. Why I highlighted this one, this is bit important. Can somebody talk with me? What is that? Attribute. One more time. Attribute. This column name you can give anything actually. Yeah, we have added almost 3 columns actually. In the next example, you talk with me. Not only this, year, month, day, you can add hour, you can add minute. Anything is possible. Meeku ardhamayinda, sir? We are good to go. Take this example also. Can you please do work out actually? Can I get a response? Are you getting your one? Easy. Online team, I hope you are following, sir. Online team, I trust you guys are following. Please respond somebody. Madhuri, Supriya, Jyoti, Subham Kumar, Div. Okay, let's move on. Next example. It is important. In interview, they will ask actually, even in project also, we are doing this kind of example. This example will be, first of all, let me show you the output actually. Let me show you what exactly mean output. Output చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Understand the output properly. We do have almost 4 columns: product, status, cost, purchase data actually. These are all respective products. Samsung, successfully delivered, 10,000 is the cost, 2018, 0101. Right. Now, Daniel, 2018, January 1st. Can I say? 01 means January. First means first to date. Chappan sir. Now, Daniel, that first to date, that day I wanted to print. What I wanted to print? Day actual, right? Now, 01 day. What is that day, sir? Monday. 02 Tuesday. 03 Wednesday. This is also possible. This is called as we are getting the day from the date. We are getting the day from what exactly? Date actual. It is also called as what exactly? Encoding the days of week. Encoding days of week, right? We can get the day of week for each day by using pandas. Knowing the days, names will be helpful to understand the business. Like, so imagine, best example, always the Amazon will compare Monday to Friday. How many transactions? Saturday, Sunday. How many transactions? They will do analysis on weekdays more transaction, weekends more transactions. ఎప్పుడు transactions ఎక్కువగా జరుగుతుంది అనేది they will make a note actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Yeah, good. Like we can compare the total sales on specific day for the past 3 years actually. Yeah, they will do analysis. Last 1 year they will all, let me tell you, all total Monday 2024 total Monday how many transactions, 2024 total Tuesday how many transactions. Then they will understand which day more transactions. Then they will try to find out the reason why more transactions. They will apply in upcoming year. Adi actual ga data science law. Let me repeat again. In 2024, Amazon has their own data, sir, in their hand actually. What they will do, they will take the total India data. They will take total India data and they will apply Monday. I mean to say 1 year means we would have a certain Mondays actually. Yeah, right? 50 plus Mondays, 50 plus Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These are all things we have. Which day definitely there is a 1 day, it should be more sales actually. Am I right or not, sir? They will do analysis. Imagine Monday is the total sales is the more actually. Why more? They will understand actually. And they will try to do the more business on Monday. Let me tell you, Thursday is the business is the dull. Thursday is the less transaction. They will try to find out the root cause. Why Thursday less transactions actually? Maybe people are doing fasting. Am I right or not, sir? They don't want to touch any other one actually. Can I get a response from you? Like that. They will understand. Sir, here data will speak with you. Talk with me. Data have a voice. It will speak with you. But you have to torture the data actually by using pandas. Then it will respond. Am I right? Yeah. Pandas uses మనం torture చేయాలి. అప్పుడు data start speak actually. Where are we? Sir, I have a question for you. Can somebody talk with me? What is the minute here actually? Attribute. చెప్పండి sir. I wanted to get the day name. Then here, any idea what is this? Method. What exactly, sir? Method. We are good to go. మీకు అర్థమైంది clear గా. I'm using dictionary to create a data frame. And I'm just trying to adding a column. Not adding a column. Yep. We are converting the specific column name as a object data type into date time data type. Let us maximize. Yes, very good. Now, Daniel, we are getting, but this day, what is the day I wanted to know? Then it's a very simple, sir. Get here actually. Now, what we need to do? First of all, capture the date, capture that specific column. We are capturing that. Very good. Now, I wanted to print .dt. Now, the next one will be day underscore name. Day underscore what exactly? Name. That's what you need to be understood. These are all steps, man. Please understand, first two, in our hand we have a data frame. Step number 1. Take that specific column. Step number 2. Convert the specific columns. And this is the series. This is what exactly? Series. In series, let me tell you, in series, there is no attribute. There is no method name. Where it is available, date time properties is available, then convert series into what exactly? Date time data frame. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? Let me tell you one more time. I'm repeating again. Imagine this one is the series data. What data? Inside a series, there is no method. So called the method name is called as a day underscore name. What is the method name, sir? Day underscore name. Then what we need to do? Convert this series into what exactly? Date time properties object. Date time. After that, you can call a method. Method name is what exactly? Sir? Day underscore name. Day underscore what exactly? Name. Meeku ardhamayinda? If you want, let me tell you one small point actually. The point will be, imagine this one, baby won't like milk actually. Baby won't like milk, but baby like curd actually. Then what we need to do? Transform the milk into what exactly? Curd. Then baby can eat actually. Here also, inside series, this method is not available, but I need this method actually. Then convert into date time properties object. What object? Properties object. Properties object. We are good to go. I'm pretty sure you connected. These are all by practice you can remember. Another important interview question, sir. This is another important interview question actually. If I want DF, where it must have data of Jan and March, ignoring February. Come again. Let me read the question one more time. Karthik, there is a question from Karthik. If I want DF, where it must have data of January and March, ignoring February. Instead of creating two data frame, can we do a single data frame? Next topic actually. The topic name is called as a concatenating multiple CSV file. Even I will tell you how to ignore specific data frame actually. Good question. Let's move on. If AC is more, what happened? You guys are getting sleeping actually. You guys are getting what exactly? Sleeping. That's what I'm reducing. You are telling like no sleeping, Daniel. We are listening. Good. No sleeping, Papa అన్నట్టు చెప్తున్నారు మీరు. Sir, I have a question for you. Any idea what is this? The last example from this chapter. What is the last example? This is quite interesting. Let me tell you. In general, these are all very valid one actually. The valid one will be Monday. It is representing with 0. It is representing, I'm sorry. By default, our representation will be Monday means what exactly, sir? 1. And Tuesday means 2. And Wednesday, 3. Hold on. Thursday, 4. And, Friday, 5. Saturday, 6. Sunday, 7. This is the, we already know. This one is a general notation. But when it comes to pandas, pandas will not consider Monday as a 1. Monday will be 0. Why? Because either Python or pandas, it will always starts from, if you are calling to the pandas, hey pandas, tell me the number. Pandas will tell, start from 0 actually. It will tell from, start from 0. Then Monday it will consider like a 0. Next one, 1. Next one, 2. Next one, 3. Next one, 4. 5, 6 actually. But who need this notation, sir? If I say 0 means Monday, a non-technical person, he may confuse actually. Now what we need to do, I don't want this notation. I need this notation only. What we need to do here? Any idea? Come again? Excellent, sir. Just apply +1. Apply what exactly? +1. మీరు ప్రతిదానికి +1 apply చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే you will get the general notation. You will get what exactly? That's what we are doing. Now we are trying to capturing the number. whenever you are capturing the number, when it comes to Monday, instead of 1, what value you will get, you know? Let me show you that. Take this one. Look at the output actually. Yeah, sir, 01 means Monday, just previously we have seen. We call day underscore name month actually. 01, what is the day count actually? 0. Next one is a 1. Next one is a 2. I don't want this one Daniel actually. Just do one thing. You need to call one attribute. Attribute name is a weekday. Plus 1 you can apply. What you can apply? Plus 1. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? I will explain one more time. Don't worry. అంటే నేను ఏమంటున్నానంటే listen carefully. First of all, we are getting these are all. We are getting what exactly? Let us just try to get a day name. Tim, let me tell you. Monday, backend pandas is representing like a 0. Tuesday, pandas is representing like a 1. And Wednesday, it is representing like a 2. Imagine till Sunday would have a data. The Sunday it will be representing like what exactly? 6. Again Monday, the code will start actually. 0, 1, 2, 3, something like this. But this notation may not be proper. Then I just wanted to get original notation. Just try to come here. Plus 1 you can apply actually. See the beauty. Wow. Monday means 1. Tuesday means 2 actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? That's it. Can I ask a question? What is this? Very good. What is this? That's it, man. The good news is we done date and time operations actually. That's it. Okay. During project we have other operations also like a date, time, different formats would have, but important sir. On an average 3 to 4 interview questions and every project they are using actually. Very, very important. The great news is the last topic in pandas we are going to cover. That is called as a concatenating multiple CSV file. Concatenating what exactly mean? Multiple CSV file. Okay, let's move on. Read the topic, concatenating multiple CSV file. Good. Let me tell you. Imagine Amazon is telling Amazon have given 2024 year data. 2024 what exactly mean? Year data. Let me tell you, if Amazon have given 1 year data, that 1 year data it cannot display like a one CSV file. It cannot display like what exactly mean? One CSV file. Amazon will display last to 2024 data. How they will display? You know, john.csv 1 month actually. I mean it's a first month record. The next one, fifth dot what exactly is CSV, second month actually. Next one, March, what exactly sir? March dot CSV. This one is a third month actually. Third month, right? Like this continuously. Talk with me. What is the last one? December dot what exactly? What is this one? 12th month actually. Conclusion of this story. When Amazon is telling like a 1 year data, that 1 year data, how they will store in a system, you know, first month, second month, third month, you know, fourth month, like this they will store actually. Then how many files would you have? Chappan sir? Very good. Then total would have a 12 files actually. How many files? Think like Amazon have given this total 1 year data. Amazon is asking, hey, do one thing. First of all, what is the total business? What is the total? What exactly sir? Business actually. This is the Amazon question. To do the total business, what we need to do, you know, there are two approaches actually. Approach number one, scenario number one. What exactly we need to do is, in all these months, there is a column name is a kind of some price column. What column, sir? ఇక్కడ కూడా ప్రైస్ కాలం ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ప్రైస్ కాలం ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ప్రైస్ కాలం ఉంది. Here also price column, like this price column actually. Think like, you know, this is the price column. Then here you need to call a sum method. Here you need to call a sum method. Here you need to call what exactly sum method. Here also you need to call what exactly? Sum method actually. Then finally you need to give total sum. Finally you need to give what exactly? Total sum. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Approach number 1. Worst approach actually. Can I get a response from you? Sir, what client is asking? Talk with me. 1 year sales. What exactly? What you're doing actually, there is a column. The column name is a price. You're trying to capturing individual months actually. Think like client have given 10 years data. How much data? If you are following this approach actually, next quarter will come. I mean to say it takes lot of time actually. Lot of what exactly? Instead of that, what we need to do, approach number 2. Listen carefully. This one is in terms of, where is that? Approach number 2. Approach. Or else case 1. Case number 2. Okay. Case number 2. Just think logically. What we can do? Anyway, client have given this data. Client have given what exactly? This data. Client is asking this question. What is the question? Hey, what is the total business on 2024? On what exactly? On 2024. 2024. Here also same question. Then being a data analyst or data scientist, what we need to do? Okay. We have a 12 files. How many files? Do one thing. Create a 12 data frames. What we can do, sir? 12 data frames actually. Then you can do one thing. You can just have to apply concat actually. What exactly? Concat all 12 data frames. Then you will get a one data frame. You will get what exactly, man? This one data frame is nothing but a total months. Antena, sir. From Jan to what exactly? December. Then in one shot you can call. Now what exactly? We can call some method. Best approach actually. Best approach. Best way. Previously, almost you call sum how many times, sir? 12 times actually. The 2. After you are calling 12, then again you need to do the cumulative sum. అన్నిటిని మళ్ళీ మనం యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. Of course you will get the right answer. But why I'm telling this one is the worst approach, think like client have given 20 years data. How much data? And client is asking, do let me know the 20 years total business actually. If you're following this approach, first month, first year, first month, first year, second month, first year to you boss, it takes a lot of time actually. Chala time both make. Can I get a response? Now, second approach we are doing practically. Second approach we are doing what exactly mean? Practical. Now let me tell you, we are going to take a data. Almost 12 CSV files we are taking. How many boss? We are creating a 12 data frames. Nice. And we are concatenating. And we are concatenating into one data frame. We can apply operations. We can apply what exactly, sir? Operation. Are you ready? Quite interesting. Online team, I'm sure you connected, I guess, actually. Can I get a response from you? మీకు అర్థమైందా? Talk with me, please, somebody. We are good to go. The prerequisite to understand this topic, the topic name is a concatenating multiple CSV file. The prerequisite is a concat topic. What topic, sir? Even that day I told actually, sir, if you understand 18th topic, then only you can understand what exactly 21st topic actually. Get ready to understand. Are you ready? Let's move on. Generally, the total data will be stored in a multiple CSV file. The total data will be stored in what exactly? Multiple CSV file. That's what, when I say the total data, yearly data. January sales, February sales, December sales, like this. So we need to concatenate all these monthly sales to get year sales, right? And what are all activities we need to do? This point is important. Please make a note on this. Imagine client will give like this actually. So first of all, these are all steps we need to be follow. Steps. Client has given the first one is a folder. First one is a, talk with me. First one, folder. Inside that, think like the folder name is a Prasad. The folder name is what exactly? Prasad actually. You can give any name. But as of now, let me give Prasad any name actually. Inside this Prasad folder, otherwise data folder, john.csv file would you have. Okay. fib.csv file would you have. Okay. The next one will be august.csv file would you have. Somewhere what happened, kind of there is a one image actually, PNG or else JPG image. What image? Okay, interesting. Once client have given the folder, don't think like that folder can contain all or except CSV file also, CSV file only. That folder may contain other files also. That folder may contain what exactly? Sir, meeku ardhamayinda? Now the next one will be, let me take kind of some input.txt. Text file also it is having. Then later april.csv. Then later, talk with me, what is missing? March dot what exactly? CSV actually. Randomly would you have like this. And later just try to take, hello dot Excel file, Excel or day. What exactly mean? Excel SX actually. Think like Excel file also would you have. Sir, meeku ardhamayinda? So on an average here, think like the total 15 files would you have. Any files only, sir? చెప్పండి అందరూ 15 files. Okay. Among all these 15 files, step number 2, what we need to do, filter all CSV file. ఎన్ని వస్తాయి మనకి? 12. We'll get 12 files. అంతేనా? Step number 1. First of all, load this folder. ఆ folder ని load చేసుకోవాలి. Once after you have loaded, I wanted to filter CSV files. I wanted to filter. Am I right or not, sir? Why? Because we need only CSV files as of now. I don't want other files. Important interview question. During interview they will ask actually. There is a folder. That folder having all mixed files. All what exactly? Mixed files. Now I just wanted to extract only specific file. We can extract actually. Very simple. We can extract. I will talk about that one. After you have created all CSV file, third point will be create all data frames. Fourth step, go for operation. Go for what? Then create all data frames. Concatenate actually. Concatenate. Once you concatenate actually, then you will get a single data frame. What data frame, sir? Single data frame. Then proceed for operation. Proceed for what exactly, sir? Operation. I'm pretty sure you connected actually. Meeku ardhamayinda? Let me repeat again actually. Can somebody talk with me? First one is a folder having different files. Yeah, Daniel, so imagine 15 files would you have. Then filter all CSV file. After you have filtered, yeah, good. So we do have all, CSV file. Create it all data frames. Once you created a all data frame, then you can apply concatenate. We'll get a single data frame. Then proceed for some operation. What operation? Practically we are doing these are all steps. In every real-time project, this one is a very common requirement actually. This one is a very, come again? Yeah, we can do. So instead of filtering CSV, then here we can filter only what exactly? Excel data actually. That's it. Column name should be same. All number of column names and should be same actually. I understand. That's what your question actually. Good. I understand. Why? Because let me tell you, when the company is trying to storing the data, it never changes the column name in between month to month actually. Imagine January, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4, column number 5, 5 columns. In February also 5 columns. In March also 5 columns actually. They never change the name of the columns in between. Can I get a response from you? Make a note on this. This one is a requirement I have explained. Let us continue with the data. Online team, you are following, I guess. Siddiq sir, by default concat stacks up records from 2 or more DFs on top of each other actually. It can also add up horizontally increasing columns when access equals to 0. I hope you are giving information. That one is a valid point, sir. Now let's move on. We'll do one thing. Let me just try to delete these are all. Maybe we are good to go. Let me create a folder. The folder name is a Prasad. Let me create a folder. Folder name is a Prasad. Inside Prasad, I wanted to dump all the files actually. We do have a separate folder. The folder name is a Daniel. You can just have to copy all these files and dump into Prasad. Very good. Make a note actually. Good. Listen carefully. Listen. Let us spend here some time actually. Sir, there is a folder. Folder name is a coding. What is the folder name? Inside coding folder, we have another folder. That folder name is a Prasad. Chapani? Very good. We have a Prasad folder actually. Inside Prasad folder, if anyone is asking total how many files, here you can see the count actually. Files in on you do you know? I guess actually. I hope you might aware. Here you can see total 15 items. Total how many? Yeah, please make a note on this one. Out of this total 15 items, sir, why January should be first, right? Why April first actually? Yeah, Windows operating system according to the alphabetical order it will be displayed actually. Then it will display first April full actually. First one is April month. The next one is August, December according to alphabetical order actually. Yeah, CSV data. Do you want to open this? This one is April data. Okay. Very good. Intentionally, I have taken less records so that you can. It is easy to count. These are all things. That's what I have taken actually. Yeah, very good, man. These are all. What data mean చెప్పండి ఏప్రిల్ కదా ఏప్రిల్ అంటే మంత్ ఎంత ఫోర్త్ మంత్ యాక్చువల్ మీకు అర్థమైందా 4/11/2019 next one is August actually. Yeah, sir, there is one image, my image actually. I copied my folder, my image. చెప్పండి. Yeah, JPG file. There is my image actually. I will upload today also. If anyone is asking who is our trainer, you can show him my image actually. Is it okay, sir? Yeah, let me upload actually. Let me show this one. Do you think this is my image actually? I like this image, sir, very well. Seems to be very serious, but I don't know, I'm getting laughing actually. Online team, don't misunderstand. This is not my image actually. Okay. Intentionally, I have taken that. And these are all CSV file data. Sir, text data also would have. What data? Who is from Karnataka? Actually, I guess. This image. Good. Next one will be Excel data also. Sorry, this one is a comma separated. This one is what exactly Excel file. I mean, out of all this discussion, image is not required for us. Text is not required for us. Next one is Excel also not required for us. Let's do that. Move on with the discussion. So the very first step is we need to access all files from the specific folder. From that folder, we need to capture only CSV file. OS module. OS is a predefined module in Python. There is one module, sir. That module name is OS. Module name is by using that we can load actually. OS means operating system. OS means in Python we would have a module. By using this module, we can load all files from the folder. By using this module, what we can do? We can load actually. There is one function name is a list.dir actually. There is one function name is a list.dir. You can ignore this theory. Let me explain the code actually. I can explain this theory. Hold on. Okay, point number 1, import OS. Point number 2, listen carefully. You need to create a string. Inside that string, specify the folder name. What folder I have taken actually? Prasad. Intentionally I changed name so that you can understand actually. Sir, this dot indicates to with this program we are going to save inside coding. Listen, this point is very, very important. This program we are going to save inside coding folder. Inside here the dot means inside coding folder in a current directory. What directory? Dot indicates to current folder. In a current directory, I mean to say inside coding, there is a folder name is a Prasad actually. All right, and here OS dot list to dir, we need to call a function. You need to provide this path actually. Wow, it will touch that folder and it can print all name of the files, man. It can print all, such a beautiful example actually. That too, this function, it can print with extension. It can print all file names. It can print all file names with extension. Adi chala important actually. Can I get a response from you? Come on, let's do this actually. Ichcheddam చూడండి. నేను ఏమంటున్నానంటే open notepad. I need your help, sir. చెప్తారా? I need your help actually. First import OS, very good. The next one p equals to in between double quotes dot backward slash Prasad folder. What folder? చెప్పండి sir. Prasad folder. Okay, very good. Now this is just a kind of some p actually. Just I have created a string demo1.py. Go to the desktop, go to the coding actually. Go to one small suggestion. Inside string, inside, whenever you are using backward slash and forward slash, here use or symbol, or letter actually. What letter, sir? Or means raw path. Or means raw path actually. I can talk later. If you're not providing that one, you will get an error actually. So please make a note. Inside coding folder program, inside coding for Prasad. Many students are doing mistake. This program also they are saving inside Prasad actually. Don't do that. Don't do that actually. Yes, the Prasad folder is ready. Prasad folder is what exactly? Ready actually. Now do one thing. You can just try to come here. Daniel, I wanted all files. Then os dot list dir. List what exactly, sir? Dir. A path name to pass it. P. Such a beautiful man. Just a matter of single line actually. What happened, you will get all file names. Wow, such a nice example, sir. Children, you will get all file names actually. List of all file name. First one is a April sales underscore CSV. Very good, including extension we are getting. Including? Meeku ardhamainda, sir? Can I get a response from you? Including extension we are getting all files extension actually. Whenever you are calling this function will access the folder. Inside folder, how many files are available? That file names it will print by default actually. Our file names print chesses by default. Did you understand or not? I wanted to print one by one file. What I need to do? That's it. What I need to apply? For loop actually. Come on. Yeah, Daniel, I just wanted to print all files one by one actually. Then for file in all underscore files. Then print what exactly, sir? File. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు వన్ బై వన్ ఫైల్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది యాక్చువల్గా. ఓ సీరియస్లీ వెరీ గుడ్. వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఆల్ ఫైల్ నేమ్స్. వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీన్ ఫైల్ నేమ్స్. కెన్ ఐ గెట్ ఎ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ? టేక్ దిస్. Here is the story. Here is the story. This is quite interesting. All underscore what exactly mean? Files. First of all, we are getting all list of all file names actually. This one is output. Yeah, very good. This one is an output actually. Sir, first step is over. First step is what exactly mean? Over. Good. What is the first step? Load all file names. Now the next step will be, first of all, whenever you are calling, list underscore dir, first of all, we are getting a list. First of all, we are getting list of strings. List of strings in the sense, all file names we are getting actually. Madam, all file names. Now, what is the next step? Next step, yeah, filter. What to filter? CSV data. Hold on. Very good. Take this data. So here, I would like to explain one small example. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. What example I wanted to explain, Daniel, Naresh. Next one. Suresh, Rajesh, Rani. These are all respective names actually. These are all what exactly mean? Respective name. Now my main motto will be, I'm planning to filter the data. What are all names ending with SH word actually? What are all names ending with what exactly? SH letter. What are all names? Naresh, Suresh, Rajesh. Meeku ardhamainda, sir? Then in string, there is a method. Method name is a ends with. What is the method name? By using that we can filter actually. First of all, let us just have to apply, go for kind of some filter lambda function actually. You can just have to go for result equals to. You can apply list comprehension. You can apply for loop. You can apply, these are all things actually. Filter of P1 comma P2. P2 should be names and P1 should be lambda function. Lambda name column. name dot, sir, ends with what exactly, sh. Then automatically, you will get the result as a, any idea? This we need to convert into list. Wow, we got a result actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? If you want, let me explain the piece of code actually. First of all, we are getting all the names. Okay, all the names. And first of all, we are getting each name. Each name means string Daniel. Is it ends with sh actually? No, false. If it is false, ignore that value. Next value, Naresh. Name Naresh. Naresh. Is it ends with sh actually? Yes. Then store instead of result actually. Here, any idea? Ends with is a method. Ends with is a. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Now, what we need to apply? You can just have to come here, go to the running nodes actually. I wanted to filter CSV file. What I need to apply? Ends with. That's it actually. That's it. You done, I guess. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Very good. Okay, this example also let me finish. Then, come on, sir. First of all, let us just have to get. ఇక్కడ ఏం ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలో తెలుసా మీకు? All files. What exactly mean? All files. Now here what I need to provide, any idea? File. Very good. Here what I need to provide? File actually. I will write the code. Hold on. Now let us write the code actually. Import OS. చెప్పండి సార్. P equals to dot Prasad. Then all files equals to చెప్పండి సార్ os dot list dir of p. We are good to go. Now here all CSV files. These are all files actually. This is all files we are printing. This is all files we are printing. And this one is the separation actually. Here what I need to do, sir? Dot CSV. It's okay. Let us provide dot also. Excellent, man. Previously, so here JPG came. What came actually? JPG. But these are all CSV file. These are all what exactly? Second step also done. Second step. మీకు ఇది అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? I hope you understand. What we done, in a first step, we are capturing all files. In second step, we are filtering CSV file. In third step, create a data frames. Create what exactly? That I can explain tomorrow. Is it okay for you? Before coming for tomorrow's session, do this example many number of times. You will get an idea. We done today's session. Why I have still time, another 5 minutes actually. Why I'm stopping, that is a major step. Only the next step I may explain minimum 15 minutes actually. Minimum 15 minutes. That much very, very important actually. Here there is a topic. The topic will come. The topic name is called as a generator. What is the topic? Generator actually. I will talk tomorrow. Okay. We done today's session. We can continue tomorrow. Quite interesting. Now today, I just need to upload all that folder also. Intentionally, I have given here the folder name as a Prasad, but actually in document, I have taken the folder name as a Daniel actually. Kada? Did I miss anything? Running notes or material? Okay. Unfortunately, if I missed, do let me know. I'm uploading, sir. I'm uploading the folder. The folder name is a Daniel. Actually, you have to extract. Did you understand? You should know that process. And I need to upload running notes for today also. Okay, cool. We're done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Let me tell you, tomorrow the agenda will be this topic we can close in another 20 minutes. The good news will be tomorrow we are going to start the project. We are going to start what exactly? I will take the live data set in front of you. Then we are going to working. Till now, all data sets created by me. Tomorrow, the data set not created by me. Company have given the data. That company data we are going to work at. Same operations. No change actually. But you can feel the data set is from company actually. Quite interesting. Then don't miss tomorrow's session. Tell me, did I miss anything? Okay, cool. All right, we're done for today's session. Somebody called as a sir.